Hey, sup. This is my YouTube car studio setup. I have this set up to record content inside of my car. I don't have a specific recording studio in my house, and my kids never stop talking. So this is a nice quiet area to record. Some setup considerations when using your car as a studio. Have enough time to record. So usually I try to squeeze in a video between activities or whenever I have the time. I figure this is a better use of my time than just scrolling on my phone while waiting for something. But if I don't have enough time to get in a rhythm for recording, I usually throw out the first bunch of takes. Know yourself and how much time you'll need to have a good or good enough product. Be a good time of day. Still light out, not too dark. I use the sun for my main source of lighting, so I need it to be light when I do most of my videos. The location should be okay, safe where you're not going to get mugged. Quiet where there's no other cars or loud people near you. Not too many distractions in the background or anything that you'd have to blur out later. Weather is a consideration. If it's too hot, it might be problematic. I've had that issue where I've had to actually start my car up, turn on the air conditioning for a little bit in between takes, and then turn it off because I have the car off, so it's not creating any noise while I'm making my videos. Also, if it's raining or anything else, that might cause an issue. Um, like if I were back in Seattle, it might be more of an issue. The same with the lighting. Uh, Always have a water bottle. You should always have a water bottle in your car, anyways. But you'll be talking a lot, so uh, you'll want to drink something. For the actual recording, I use my iPhone 13 Pro. It has a pretty good front-facing camera. I actually tried using my 6S, but I had to use the rear-facing camera for about the same amount of quality. So the iPhone 13 is pretty good. It also is a lot easier to line up the shot with a front-facing camera because you can see yourself. Um, what I've had with the issue with the other phone is I wouldn't be able to get a good shot, and I'd have to constantly look at how I'm cropping the shot, and that just caused extra time. Okay, I have a mount that's always in my car. I just leave it in there, just always set up, and it was actually part of a kit for my GoPro, but I can't recommend it because I have some problems with it. Maybe later on I might find something, but this is good enough for now. If you do look for one that has adjustments in all three different directions, preferably one that screws in. But if you could get one that can work while you're driving or while just a quick release, that'd be a lot better than the one I have right now because everything is screw and it's a pretty weak screw, so it doesn't hold up. So if I try to do a streaming thought and do it while I'm driving or something, that's just not going to happen. I just lose the picture. Uh, okay, I have my iPad here for reading the notes. I've actually come to the conclusion lately that I don't have enough time to memorize these scripts and do a bunch of film takes to make it look nice for you. So sorry about that. But I can write while I'm with my kids. I can write while I'm in bed, and that's just something that I can spend more time into doing, so that the content is a little bit better. Um, but I can't do the filming part, and that's where my car comes in. These AirPods, these are great because I'm using these right now for my for the mic, and the phone actually has really good mics, but almost too good. So it picks up everything. Like when I move around and whatnot, it'll pick up the sounds of my clothes rubbing together. And the AirPods provide a more consistent sound quality. So like while I'm looking at my iPad, I wouldn't lose out the sound quality as much as if I were using my phone. Um, and I always have my AirPods with me because I just have this on my keychain. And I also am able to make sure that everything's all charged up because this charger has one for my iPhone and one for my case if I need it. Um, but in order to get my AirPods to work, I needed to buy an app. That app is the Pro Movie Plus app. Uh, it was about $3 when I bought it, but it allows me to use this instead of using my phone and taking videos with the native app. Um, and just a note, there is a Pro Movie and a Pro Movie Plus. The difference is the Pro Movie, you buy an in-app purchase to get all the doodads and stuff, but the Pro Movie Plus has everything included in it. And my recommendation is to always get the Plus model and not the in-app purchase. Just a thing with Apple, if you have like family sharing, then the Plus that has all of the included stuff in it will go from one account to another, but the in-app purchases will not go from one app to another. So just to future proof yourself, or if you share with family members, always get the Plus. Um, but yeah, then I just record all the mini takes that it takes to take this and have it in a separate album in my photos, so then I can find them and edit them all later when my kids are in bed or I'm in bed and editing these videos. So thanks for watching. This is what works for me. I'd like to know what works for you. If you make videos, how do you make them? What's your studio like? Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Take care.